there is this amazing mineral that is very versatile and it's responsible for many functions in our body. Yet it's underrated, and I think that we don't talk enough about it. So today's video is sort of a love letter or love message to my favorite mineral, magnesium. Welcome back. I'm Dr. Maria Azizian, a board-certified general surgeon and IFM-certified functional medicine provider. So magnesium was actually discovered in the 17th century in a Greek town that was called Magnesia. And what happened, the town folks noticed that the water in that town had these curative properties. And in fact, it was found that that water contained magnesium sulfate, what is now known as Epsom salts. So interesting fact. Another interesting fact is that magnesium is actually a third abundant element in the seawater, and a lot of magnesium is extracted from the seawater. So now let's talk about the biological properties of magnesium that are very important. First of all is, of course, energy production. Magnesium is very important for production of ATP, which is an energy molecule that is stored and transferred in our cells. In fact, without ATP, no biological reactions in our body could occur. The next one is muscle relaxation. As some of you may know, calcium is responsible for muscle contraction, but magnesium is responsible for muscle relaxation. That's why magnesium is recommended for people who have muscle strains, muscle cramps, also for somebody who is suffering from a restless leg syndrome. Magnesium is a very important supplement for athletes and in general for people who are prone to muscle tension. The next important function of magnesium is its effect on our heart health. So in the heart health, magnesium is very important for electrical conduction, which means our heartbeat, our heart rate, along with other minerals such as sodium and phosphate and calcium. They are very important. And very frequently, when somebody is admitted to the hospital for heart-related problem, they end up receiving intravenous magnesium. It's a very, very important mineral because if you're low in magnesium, you're much more prone to heart arrhythmias and other heart problems. The next one is bone health, which a lot of people don't know because a lot of people know about the importance of calcium and vitamin D, but magnesium is extremely important as well. In fact, 60% of magnesium is stored in bones, and low magnesium are associated with higher rate of osteoporosis. The next and very important one is mood and mental health. In fact, magnesium was called the original chill pill because it influences the release of dopamine and serotonin, and low magnesium, chronically low magnesium, have been associated with anxiety and depression. Along the same line, magnesium is very important for sleep because it also regulates melatonin that is in charge of our sleep-wake cycle. So additionally, magnesium, which actually many of you may know, is important in our digestive health because magnesium relaxes not only our muscles, but also relaxes the smooth muscles and lining of our intestine. And because of that, it has a natural laxative effect. That's why a lot of supplements for laxatives, they do contain magnesium. So also another function that many people don't know, magnesium does affect insulin, and in fact, persistently low levels of magnesium could lead to insulin resistance and predispose somebody to the type 2 diabetes. So back to the brain functions, magnesium also affects our cognitive functions, such as memory and learning. And essentially, it's important for neuroplasticity of our brain, which is the most important component in learning. So what else? It's important to note that low magnesium has been associated with migraines. And for some migraine sufferers, magnesium supplements do make a lot of difference. Why? Because magnesium affects neurotransmitters, as we discussed earlier, and also it affects the dilatation of blood vessels. And we're coming to the end now. There's just so many qualities of magnesium that it's just hard to list them all. So another quality of magnesium is its participation in natural detoxification that occurs in the liver. I'm sure you've heard about glutathione, which is a very important molecule that is responsible for detoxification of toxins from our body. So magnesium is essential for production of glutathione. And probably the last one, I think magnesium does decrease inflammation in our whole body, which is very important. A fun fact about magnesium: magnesium is used in fireworks because it produces white, bright light. And interestingly, it's the same qualities of magnesium as an energy producing component for for ATP in the body. Those combusted properties are used in fireworks. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.